Thank you to Mobiscribe for sending us this sample. This is the Mobiscribe Wave Color, and this is the second wave of devices that have come out from Mobiscribe. The first one being the Mobiscribe Origin 6.8. This one is a 7.8. And on the back, as you can see here, they only list the color resolution, 624 by 46800 ppi. They don't actually give you the full resolution of the unit itself, but it does have front light, it does have WACOM, and it does have IPX7 waterproof when submerged. So this thing is really interesting. Here is the box right here. Now, a couple things we must mention. This box doesn't come wrapped in plastic, so it's really hard to know if you're getting a used one or not, and they just simply don't come wrapped. The second thing is that they're using Kaleido Plus, not Kaleido 3. And the third thing, it's amazing in and of itself that this company is still going, because this is the only American manufacturer, although it's made in China, of these units, because everyone else is based out of China, except for Amazon, and they really only have the Scribe, so they're not really a note-taking brand, but these guys are. This is a dedicated note-taking brand, and they have existed for quite some time. It's quite impressive. So if you wanted something kind of domestic, so to speak, this is the only one you can choose. Let's look at the pen. I'm pretty sure it's that hexagonal pen that is, yep, it's used on pretty much everything. And actually, fun fact, this is the same manufacturer of pen that King Jim uses for the Frino in Japan. So it's just kind of an OEM pen. Nothing too special right there. Eraser at the back, that's pretty much it. Inside this box right here, it looks like you get some replacement tips with 3 tips and a puller tool. And what do we have on this side? How do you open that? That's okay, there you go. This is a non-branded, yeah, it doesn't look like it's branded, but it is USB-C, so that was good after that whole pocketbook fiasco. Let's look at the unit itself right here, because we do have to take this piece of plastic off, if I can get to it. Holy moly, that is on there. I gotta say, small fun fact, that is a very well glued on screen protector, and it's not a screen protector, it's a protector of the screen when the unit is in transit. Let's look at what we have here. We have a sunken screen and bezel, meaning this is one of the only non-flush screen and bezels where you can do note-taking. That's not very common nowadays, actually, if you think about it. So that means you can get a really nice feel when you write right to the edge of the screen. Actually, that's a little bit of understated there. On the back, it is this beautiful ocean blue. Oh my god, it's like a deep sea blue. And they have a power button and a glow light button, which a lot of manufacturers simply do not do. Nothing on either side. You do get this nice little wave to kind of coincide with the name of the unit. Let's turn this on for the first time, just to give you guys a first time boot up. Obviously, we're going to get into a full review, but how is this going to be different than the previous Mobiscribe? We have no idea. After this unboxing, of course, we're going to go to the boardroom and pass this around and talk about it before we do the review, before we script it, before we film it. I gotta say, based on the specs, features, and selling points, this has everything. It's got 2 warm lights, it's got audio, it's got glow light, it's got WACOM, it's got Google Play. I hope it's good. I genuinely do. This is the only North American company that is doing ENOTES. Not who has done an ENOTE like Kobo and Amazon with their one-off devices, but an ENOTE company with WACOM pens. This is the only one. Mobiscribe, Wave, Color. For now, this is everything that comes in the box. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys wait for the video, for the review. They're all coming. We got a lot to do, and there's no slowing down. Thanks for watching.